Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate budgeting with Mint detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your budgeting with Mint, start by creating a Mint account. Visit the Mint website or download the Mint app from your device's app store. Choose to sign up using your email address or link your existing Google or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, follow the prompts to set up your profile. Input your financial information, including your income, expenses, and any debts. Mint will guide you through adding your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. Ensure all your financial accounts are linked, as this allows Mint to track your transactions automatically. Next, navigate to the budgeting section within the app. Mint will suggest default categories for your expenses based on your transaction history. Review these categories and customize them according to your specific needs. Set monthly budget limits for each category to reflect your financial goals. Mint allows you to set up alerts for spending thresholds, helping to keep your budget on track. Review your budget and make adjustments as necessary to align with any changes in income or expenses. Once your budget is set, regularly check back to monitor your spending and make improvements. Take advantage of Mint's reports and graphs to visualize your financial habits over time. Review your transactions regularly to ensure they are categorized correctly and reflect your spending. Use Mint's tools to create financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying down debt. Mint can also help you set reminders for upcoming bills to avoid missed payments. Periodically revisit your budget every few months to make adjustments as needed. Make use of the insights and tips Mint provides to optimize your spending further. With these steps, you can effectively automate your budgeting process and stay on top of your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.